Install all kinds of curtain wall and banner parts. Reliable connection with the pillar. Buy steel connectors and stainless steel balls. Install aluminum alloy crossbeam. Reliable connection with the pillar. By connecting the plug and stainless steel screw. Installing BIPV solar panels. Put the panels to pre-calculated position. Thread the positive and negative connectors of the solar panel through the wire holes with insulated protective cover. Place it in the side trunking inside the pillar. Fix the aluminum alloy pressure plate with bolts. Install buckles and blocks and turn. Inject glue between BIPV solar panels for sealing.